Right, let's clear up a common confusion in English when to use by and when to use with. These little words can change the meaning of a sentence, so let's nail them down together. First up, by. I use by to talk about how something is done, often to show the person or thing doing the action. For example, the cake was made by Tom. Here, Tom is the one who did the baking. Another one, the letter was written by hand. That means someone physically wrote it instead of typing. Now, let's look at with. I use with to talk about the tool or object used to do something. So, the cake was cut with a knife. The knife is what did the cutting, not who. Or, she wrote the letter with a blue pen. The pen is what she used. Let's see if you can spot the difference. Imagine these two sentences. The song was played by the band versus the song was played with a guitar. In the first, I'm talking about who played it, the band. In the second, I'm focusing on the instrument they used, a guitar. Here's another pair. The window was broken by the wind. The wind is the cause, it did the breaking. But the window was broken with a stone. The stone is the tool used to break it. So to recap, by is for the agent or who does the action. With is for the tool or what helps make it happen. Easy, right? Now, let's put your skills to the test. I'll say two sentences. You decide which preposition fits best. Fill in the blank. 1. The soup was stirred blank blank a spoon. And the other sentence, the painting was painted blank blank Picasso. Pop your answers in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a lesson, and check out more videos to keep leveling up your English. See you next time.